How to buy Sonic token. Now before you start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 9 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending #1 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, as you can see here, click here to copy the token. On this, open your Bitget wallet. For that, now I will just log into my wallet first. So after that, what you need to do, select the Solana as a network. Now click on this plus icon, paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this our token, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token. Keep searching until you find your token to just add it called Sonic. Now after that, click on it. Click on swap here, make sure to switch that, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see, of that token. After that, clicking on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Sonic token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.